Hey guys, Texas Cheesehead Gamer here, and I just got in a new package today, and I just wanted to show it to y'all real quick. Alright, he did a good job of wrapping it. Can you tell what it is? Boom. Lollipop chainsaw, Steelbook edition. Got a nice sleeve. Here we go. Here we go. Back when they still always had manuals. Doesn't even look like it's really been opened before. He said it was like new, but here we go. And that was it. I just won this off an eBay auction just a few days ago. It's not much of a manual. And I just got it in, so I'd never seen this before. Thought it was really cool and excited to play it. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.